Hello, everybody. My name is Benjamin Akani. I'm a Fulbright scholar from Cote d'Ivoire. I'm doing my Master in Health Policy and Management at Georgia State University. Today, I have the pleasure to present the socio-economic determinants of sexual and emotional intimate partner violence, or IPV. In Africa, the vast majority of IPV occurred in the sub-Saharan region. The West African region is ranked the second with a prevalence of 42%. In Cote d'Ivoire, studies have shown that almost 50% women experience IPV at a community level. It was important to us to examine this issue at a national scale and to investigate the underlying factors towards sexual and emotional violence against women. To answer the question of factors that contribute to this public health concern, we use public available data from the demographic and health surveys using a sample size of 3,500 women between the ages of 15 and 49 who reported being in a union and living with their partner. Then we carried three models to test the relationship between sexual and emotional IPV and the independent variables. In the first step, sexual and emotional were modeled with women's social demographic factors. In the second model, we added participation in decision making and economic opportunity. In the final model, we adjusted partners' behavior or related factors. We weighted all the analysis to take into consideration the survey design, clustering, and stratification. Our result indicated that sexual and emotional violence were experienced by 5 and 20%, respectively, women in our sample. There was nearly a similar distribution by age for both outcomes for women aged 20 to 29 years old. As opposed to the sexual violence, which mostly occurred among the poorer household, emotional violence was reported more than a fifth by women with richer living conditions. Concerning the associated factors in the final model, results revealed that in both outcomes there was a higher rate old ratio when other makes the decision. In addition, lack of partners' education level was identified as a risk factors for sexual violence. To conclude, our study found that the major contributor to sexual and emotional violence against women were other making decisions for the household and lack of partner education level. Health policymakers in Cote d'Ivoire should consider these predictors in placing more emphasis on partners' education. Thanks.